Stand in table position on all fours with your knees directly under your hips and your wrists directly under your shoulders. The fingers face forward and your feet should be on the floor with the front of your feet on the floor. Inhale and stretch the right leg backwards. Exhale and swing the right knee to the forehead to form the cat pose and look straight down. Now bring your back downwards and straighten your right leg behind you as you swing it up. With your leg bent, raise the right knee and raise your head up to look at the ceiling. Lift the bent right leg further and point the sole of your foot to the back of your head. Maintain here and hold your breath. After that, straighten your bent right leg and then swing it under the hips again, simultaneously bringing your head down, touching the right knee. Hold here for a few breaths. Finally, bring the right knee down to the floor and back into the initial tabletop pose.